What's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on today? I have a question. Are you designing? Are you creating? And are you building? That's my question for you today. Quite frankly, I want you to, if you would, imagine this. And you see I'm on the beach. It's pretty awesome. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. I'm here in Panama City. But I want you to imagine something. 15 years ago, I was in a very different place. A very, very different place. I was using alcohol a lot. I was very alone. I was surrounded by hundreds of people. We used to go to the bars, and there were shots all night long, and we would stay up till 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. But you know what? I was alone. I was very alone. Imagine being alone, being surrounded by lots of people. Now, I know I'm not the only one that's ever felt that way. And I've been in that spot multiple times in my life. There was a time when I was surrounded by drug dealers and pushers. I mean, some pretty serious stuff. Now, I didn't do it, but I was surrounded by it, and it was not a comfortable place to be. In the military, there were many, many, many years that I spent holidays alone because it just wasn't feasible to come back and see family. We were in pretty difficult circumstances and situations. Now, those things, some of them are good because they've helped me become who I am. But here's the thing. I came across those situations more than once, and I'm being fully transparent with you because I really want you to hear something that's super important. I want to share it with you today. I pulled myself up from those spots. It took me a couple times. I'm not perfect. I'm actually hard-headed. I was taught to be independent, and independence can be a good thing. But interdependence is something greater. It's something more of depth. When you learn how to be interdependent with the super amazing people around you, things like this occur. Things like this occur. You can design, you can create, and you can build the life you choose. I don't care what it is. Now, there has to be some realism. I make jokes about me not being a running back anytime soon. I just don't have a desire for that. But the reality is this. If you design a vision, a lot of people talk about vision, they have visions in companies, but it just doesn't work. It's a bunch of words on the wall. I'm talking about a vision that you feel emotional about, something that is it's deep in your soul, something that you believe in. Your beliefs feed your vision. If you're able to create a vision like that, you're able to do anything you want to do. You could be on the beach in Panama City. You can be anywhere in the world. You could be in India. You could be in China. You can be in Japan. You can be here in the States. You can be in a big city with tall buildings like I was the other day. And I will be again in a few days. You can do anything you want to do, but you have to get started. See, the thing that I realized was, it's not what happens to you, it's what you create. Life is not what happens to you. It's what you design, create, and build. And here's the thing about vision that a lot of people don't know. If you create a vision that's emotional, that's strong to you, whatever it is that you want, and your beliefs are aligned with that vision, your vision will it will manifest itself. It will come true. That's my message for you today. I really want to encourage you to actually step in. You don't have to be great to get started. For those of you that know me, you've heard me say this, but you have to start to be great. You have to start somewhere. You have to lay down your ego. You have to put yourself forward, and you have to get out of your comfort zone. Realize that complacency and mediocrity are true enemies. Step outside of those and do something cool like this. So now, today, I want you to imagine something different. Today, I'm surrounded by hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people who care deeply for me and who I care deeply for as well. It wasn't an easy journey. I made a lot of mistakes along the way, but a couple things happened. One, I searched out mentors. So at first, my mentors were books. I read a book a day for 6 years. After that, my mentors were people. I searched out people who were ahead of me. They were out there doing something that I wanted to do, which is speak and train and coach. And then I still didn't believe that I could actually do it. So I got with a coach who talked me through that. And that was an amazing, amazing 1 degree of change. It changed my life. I encourage you to get involved with a coach. If you've never tried one, check it out. Check out some coaching. It can really change your life. If you're stuck, don't be stucky. I call it stuckiness. Don't be stuck. Life is short. Life is temporary. And quite honestly, we have a mission. You have a mission in life to be the best that you can be. I call that individual brilliance. Work in your genius zone. It makes your days so long and great and so beautiful to be surrounded by people who are doing the same. So I want to encourage you to think about my message today. And I really just wanted to connect with you and share a moment with you. I want to dare you to be brilliant. There are many ways you can do it. I offer it in coaching. I'll step you exactly through what I went through, but I'll meet you where you are and we can talk about that. If you're interested in that, send me a message. I have a course. It's an amazing 21-day challenge course. I've had a lot of feedback on that. I just ran my first beta. We're almost done. It's just a few days left. I've heard a number of things. I have to shift it a little bit. There's a couple things. People want a little bit more collaboration, which it will be done. There's 3 coaching calls in that course that they're able to jump on as well. That's massive value. There's at least $1,000 or more value in the course. And I'm not charging near a tenth of that. So that's a method and form and fashion. If you're feeling a little stucky, if you're feeling some stuckiness, I say that with humor, jump into the course. I got another one coming up on July 1st. The other way is just surround yourself with some amazing people. Maybe you're not in a financial position where you can actually do that. And that's okay, I get that. I've been there, I know what it's like. This is my 7th company I'm running, but not all my companies were super successful. Some of them I only made just a couple $1,000. So it takes time. You have to try and then hit the wall and try and then hit the wall and you try and you learn and you apply and you learn and apply and learn and apply. But don't be stuck. Don't stay stuck. Be amazing. Be brilliant. Step in to your individual brilliance. My message for you today: design, create, and build the life of your dreams, my friend. You can do it. I believe in you.